Well, finally got the new controller box. Shipping come down some. They got some in stock. I finally got it. Got the panels. That one's covered up. I don't want the power on yet. Well, it's early now. Don't mind my half-ass plug I made just for testing. Cable to plug the solar panels in. My battery, I'll uncover that 200 amp 12 volt. Just wanted to show you guys a little on the wiring. This one's better. It hardwires right in. There's our 240 volt circuit. There's the solar input. This is a much better product. I'm going to do a new PDF file for this so you guys can download it on the new equipment I bought. This is definitely a lot better. They say that something about trapezoid or some kind of controller in it. The other one I had was very sensitive to head. So again, this is a, oh, that was another thing too. This is a 1.5 kW unit now. I upgraded to a higher unit. It did cost more money. The other one was 7,000 pesos. This one was double. But they say this will last a lot longer, last a lot stronger and everything. And I want that for going to the island. I want it to be maintenance proof and just let it run. So I'll put all the details in a PDF file. About an hour and a half. Sun will be up here good. We'll fire it up and do a test. I went through and did all the settings on it. So stick around. Let's see if it all works. I'm going to run my pistol drill on it and see if it maintains power. Well, we got good bright sun, so let's give this a try. Okay, baby. Roll them down.
Okay.
Let them see the sun. See if this thing works.
And now?
All right, here's the truth. Keep going. Hold it wide open. Keep going. Started out at 13.3, still sitting at 13.3. Bouncing to 13.4. So I think it should be just fine. That's it, guys. It works. Next one, we'll go install it on the island. We're going to leave on the 12th of May to go down there. Probably the 14th or 15th. But I won't be able to upload it from the island. The internet's really slow. Stay tuned. We'll get it all put together up on the house and fire her dad's house up, and we'll have power so I can run my CPAP on the island. See you guys later.